Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins latest stable version on Fedora Linux 41. Okay, first open any web browser, also open the terminal, go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io, hit enter, click on documentation, then click on installing Jenkins, then select Linux. See, Jenkins installers are available for several Linux distributions, Debian, Fedora and Red Hat. Okay. Now see here prerequisites. See, these are minimum hardware requirements and these are the recommended hardware requirements. Okay. And the software requirement is we must have the Java. So let us verify the version of the Java that we need. New tab, go to here. See, for latest release, we must have 17 or 21. Okay, so go to the terminal, verify Java is installed or not. If it is installed, we have to verify the version. See, Java is not installed, so first we have to install the Java. Control C, Control A. Now go to new tab, go to oracle.com, then click on products, then click on Java, then click on download Java, scroll down. See, here we have the JDK 21, but if you are unable to find the version here, you can go to this Java archives. Okay, there you will find all older versions. So select the JDK 21, then select Linux, then for Fedora we have to download this x86 RPM package. So click on this download JDK 21 Linux x64 bin RPM package. Click on it to download. See, download started and its size is 188 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is complete. Now go to the terminal, CD, go to downloads directory, ls. See, here we have the JDK 21 RPM package. You have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh, then give JDK, give the tab to autofill entire RPM package name and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, installation is completed. Now verify the version of the Java that we have installed. Java-version. See, we have installed Java JDK 21. ls, this file is not required anymore because we have successfully installed rm. Give JDK, give the tab to autofill entire package. Hit enter, ls, we have cleared the space. Okay. So this prerequisite is matched. Okay, close this tab. This also not required. Now go up, then click on this Fedora. See here we have two types of versions. See, here we have two types of releases: long-term support release, that is LTS release, and weekly release. I strongly recommend to run this long-term support release commands. So copy these commands one by one. Copy it. See, first two lines is a single command. Control A, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now import this GPG. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now upgrade the packages. Sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. All done. Control A. See, we have already installed Java JDK 21, so no need to run this command. So now install the Jenkins. Sudo dnf install Jenkins. Hit enter. See, now it is going to install Jenkins version 2.492.2. Okay, type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, it is going to download 92 megabytes. We have successfully installed. Now verify the version of the Jenkins that we have installed. Jenkins -- version. See, we have installed Jenkins 2.492. Okay. Next, we have to start the Jenkins service. See, we have to start the Jenkins service. But before starting, let us verify the status of the Jenkins. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins is inactive or dead and it is disabled. Okay, Control A. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins. Hit enter. It is started. Let us verify the status. See, Jenkins service is started and it is disabled. Q to quit. Control A. Now enable the Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl enable Jenkins. It is done. See, we have started Jenkins service and it is enabled. Q to quit. Control it. Now connect to Jenkins. Go to the bottom of this page. That is post installation steps. See here. This is the URL to connect to Jenkins. Copy it. Also verify the status. See, this is the initial password. Okay, we can also get it by going to this paste new tab. Paste it. Hit enter. Now we have to provide the administrator password. So we can get it from this file. Copy this one. Go to the terminal. This password and the password is there in this file. Both are same. So more. Paste it. Hit enter. So we must run this with sudo. Hit enter. See, this password and this password both are same. So okay, copy either of them. Copy it. Paste here. Click on. Okay. Then click on continue. Now customize Jenkins. See here we have two types. Install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. So I am going to install suggested plugins. Click on it. See, plugins installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now we have to create first admin user. So I am giving you username as administrator. Provide the password. Remember this username and password which is required to connect to Jenkins. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL. Okay. So click on save and finish. Now start using Jenkins. See, we have successfully connected to Jenkins dashboard. See here we have the new item build history, manage Jenkins, my use. And see here, if you want to create job, click on here. If you want to set up an agent, click on here. If you want to configure cloud, click on here. If you want to change the password of this current user, just click on this drop down and select the security. Okay. If you want to go to manage Jenkins, click on manage Jenkins. See here we have different sections: system configuration, security, status information, etc. And in system configuration, see here we have tools, system, plugins, nodes, cloud, etc. In security we have security and etc. Okay. So if you want to see the plugins, click on plugins. See, these are the available plugins. Suppose if you want to install this one, just select it and click on install. Don't want. Then if you want to see the installed plugins, click on here. See, these are the installed plugins. Okay. Now go back to manage Jenkins. Then click on users. See, if you want to create user, click on here. If you want to modify the properties of this administrator, click on security. If you want to change the password, you have to click on here. You have to provide new password. Okay. Now we will see what will happen if you stop the Jenkins server. Control L, verify the status, sudo systemctl status Jenkins. Hit enter. See, Jenkins is running. Control L. Now stop it and we will see what will happen. Sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. Now reload this page. See, we are unable to connect. Why? Because Jenkins is stopped. So to connect to Jenkins, the Jenkins service must be up and running. So start it again. Sudo systemctl Jenkins. We have successfully started. So verify the status. See, Jenkins is started 4 seconds ago. Now reload this page. See, we are able to connect. Now provide the new username. Provide the password. Enter. Not now. See, it is connecting. And also see here, before we are having the initial admin password. Now it is gone. Okay. See, we got the console. Okay. Now the next step is, not only with this local host, we can also connect with IP of this machine. Just give ifconfig and give the IP or loopback IP also. So new tab, give the loopback IP 0.0.1. that is 127.8080. Hit enter. See, you got the sign in console. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install latest Jenkins version on Fedora Linux 41. For more Jenkins or CI/CD tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.